Hi, third graders. In today's phonics lesson, we discussed how some words are spelled the same but have more than one meaning, like chest, change, and break. And you probably came up with a second sentence using these words in a different way. So for today's activity, you're going to get a paper that has 4 boxes similar to this one. You're also going to choose 4 different words. You're going to then write riddles and then trade your riddles and have a partner see if they can solve them. So here's a couple examples of some riddles. This one says, an elephant's nose or a place to pack your things. If you think about those 2 definitions or 2 ways of using that word, you would think of the word trunk. An elephant's nose is a trunk, or a trunk is a place to pack your things. Over here, the covering of a tree or the sound a dog makes. Well, on a tree you find bark, and a dog also barks. So you're going to come up with riddles similar to these, and then you're going to trade those riddles with a partner and see if your partner can figure out what word you're trying to use.